How to create a business account on Instagram. The process is very simple and will only take a few minutes. Let's get started. Now go ahead and tap on your Instagram app on your device and go to your profile page. Then click on the menu icon in the top and tap on Settings. Next, tap on Account. Scroll down and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Click Continue, Continue, Continue. Now choose a category to help people find your account. Also, you can display it on your account. Choose the type of your business. Here you can set up your account, just follow 5 steps. If you have a new account, you will need to fill in the information such as your name, contact details, and profile photo. After that, you will have a business or creator button in your settings. Congratulations, your account is now switched to the business mode and you can use various features such as adding contact information, viewing statistics, and promoting your brand on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video and good luck with your promoting your business on Instagram.